golden retriever became a hero when he sensed a hidden danger no one else could see. These two dogs were inseparable and spent every day with their owner at the busy airport. They were gentle and calm, but one afternoon, everything changed. The older dog suddenly became frantic and started lunging at his owner's bag. The puppy joined in as they barked wildly, causing a scene in the terminal. A security officer rushed over, but the dogs grabbed the bag and ran toward the water, jumping off a high ledge just as a massive explosion went off behind them. A rescue boat found them moments later, tired but alive. The owner realized they were just making sure everyone stayed safe. Subscribe for more tales like these.